Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today I will explain and make a IR remote control switch at home. You can control 12-volt DC and 220-volt AC supply appliances. When you control AC supply appliances, it's dangerous, be careful, don't touch any wire. So let's start the video. So we need this light because inside this light there are a IR sensor circuit for control home appliances. Or you can buy this type of circuit at online, link in description. Also you can download circuit diagram which I am using here. Here I am using 2-piece relay. 1-piece 12-volt SMPS. 𝕬𝕚𝕚𝕚 IC and IR sensor and a small cabinet. First we have to see whether everything can fit inside the cabinet. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for latest update. The connection of the IR sensor is shown on the display. .7 volts required to run from this circuit board. For this I have used a 150 ohm resistor here. First we make the connection of this circuit. You can download pictures of all the connections of the circuit in the description. The circuit I am using is bad. So I changed the circuit with an adapter socket. And here I am using a 12-volt 2 ampere adapter.